Hello guys, welcome to the video. This video is about a very beautiful concept and it's known as VWAP. Yeah, so you might have heard about this concept everywhere because everybody is now using it. Everybody's like this big mutual fund holders, people who can influence the market, they all use VWAP. So today we're going to learn what is VWAP. So VWAP stands as volume weighted average price. Yeah, that's right. It's self-explanatory almost. Volume weighted average price. So when you are trading, people normally it's like price is God, what prices are going up, the prices are going down, but you should always remember there are two main concepts in trading, which are price itself, yeah, and the second is volume. Volume is also one of the most important concepts, and you should always watch volume before when you trade. So people usually don't do that. So VWAP gives you an indication when the average price is adjusted according to its weighted volume. All right. So whenever the VWAP, okay, whenever the VWAP line is drawn, it's mostly used for intraday trading. VWAP cannot be adjusted in a day chart. It can be used in any chart, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, whatever, within a day. All right. So now let's have a look at the charts and see how VWAP works. So here, let's have a look at a chart of Reliance Industries. It's everybody's favorite stock. So here, we can apply the indicator by going to studies and VWAP, and I've applied volume also for your clear understanding. So here we can see this VWAP is the price is closing below VWAP, okay, and here this candle is a doji candle, which can indicate a trend reversal. But you should always confirm the doji candle. You should always use a confirmation candle after that. See, now this is also a negative red candle, so you can sell the stock here and see it has continued to move down and made a low of around 1565 today. See, so this is a very useful indicator. People, the most stock mutual fund holders or big players, what they do, they see that this is the average price here. They sell here because this is the average price going on in the market. They're not gonna. They have lots of money to put in, so they sell all the price at the average price. They're not waiting for the low. They're not waiting for the high. They go for the average price. And what's the average price here? Is the VWAP. So you should always sell at the VWAP because if you don't sell here, you'll always get cut off by the other big players. So always when you sell at this point, try to maintain a stop loss a bit further than the VWAP because there are going to be many sellers here. So maintain a stop loss just below that. Fine. So let's have a look at another chart. Let's have a look at Bajaj Finance. It's currently booming. Yeah, see here the price rejection here. It's not being able to cross VWAP, right? See, you need to check that the volumes are also good. Here the volume is not that much, but here when it's taking a boom, see you can. This is a good almost a Marubozu candle. Then you see a confirmation green candle. Then you can buy here and maintain a stop loss below the VWAP. Get it? Then you see that it's almost boomed. Then you can book profit here or easily. Then see now it is consolidating near the VWAP. It's not showing any big move and the volumes are also rising. So VWAP is alone. It's not. You cannot rely on VWAP. You need to use other indicators along with VWAP. VWAP is just a confirmatory signal. You can use other indicators which I will be showing and helping you out in my further videos. So this VWAP is mostly used by big players, people who can influence the market because they're not going to wait for the low price or the high price. They go for the average price according to the volume. So if you want to go along with them, you're going to get a big gain. All right. So that's it for today. Thank you for all for watching my video and do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.